name is Daniel Cespedes. I am here located in SAP Mexico City. What I didn't expect to do when I came back from the academy, well, actually I already knew what I was going to do because I was part of the SAP for almost 2 years before the academy. I knew that I was going to deliver presentations, have customer-facing activities with the customer, remote presentations. But what really impressed me is that everybody was expecting here, my previous colleagues, the knowledge and the techniques that I learned in the academy. I had the opportunity to deliver and to spread the knowledge with them, like demo well techniques, pre-sales techniques, how to be more memorable, and we can make and we can use this knowledge on site with the customer on remote presentations to deliver a better message. That's what I learned from the academy. That's what I'm doing now. I encourage you to learn a lot, to practice a lot, and also to have a great time in the academy.
Hello, my name is Gabriela Costa. I am located in SAP Mexico. Something that I didn't expect to do when I came back from the academy is that I will have the opportunity to work together with the other graduates for Latin America, and we are now together working a new initiative for our region that it's giving us the opportunity to apply everything we learn in the academy, such as presentation techniques and how to engage our customers in a better way. So I hope you are having a great time in the academy and that you're learning a lot. And when you come back, I'm sure that you will help us a lot with everything you're learning over there.
Hello, my name is Felipe Silva. I'm from Chile. And today I want to share 3 things that I didn't expect when I started working at SAP. First, demo well techniques. Second, several customer interaction. And third, big international network. First, demo well techniques. Thanks to the academy, I learned many techniques of how makes memorable and wow demonstration. So when I come back to my market unit, I was very surprised when people that is working at SAP for a long time, they reach me out and they ask me for some help and some advice in these topics. Second, several customer interaction. I never thought that just in 2 months I will be in front of the customer delivering demonstration and also doing the complete pre-sales cycle. Doing some discovery through design thinking, preparing the demonstration and doing some internal dry runs, and finally delivering the demo for our customers. And third, the big international network. Besides that SAP is a global company, I never thought to have a huge network in a short period of time. I started with Chile, then I moved to Peru, to Brazil, to Colombia, jumping to Mexico, going to the States, and also expand this to here. So the 3 things that I didn't expect to do when I started working at SAP are demo well techniques, several customer interaction, and the big international network. So this is my experience, guys. Just an advice to you: keep learning at the academy and enjoy a lot your time there.
Oh my God, Andre! What is that?
Don't worry, Edgar. This is just a theme that we are using for a customer.
Oh my God.
Do you know this movie?
Of course I know it. Back to the Future.
So this is the theme that we are using in our entire presentation. This is a presentation that we will have this week in a different city, and we want to show this idea that they're going to be able to run Simple to the Future with SAP.
Oh my God, that is a very creative analogy.
Thank you. And in here, in the market unit, I have presented several presentations and I have been using all the techniques that I learned at the academy. This is a different customer. This is a coffee company here in Colombia. They really like the PowerPoint presentation. They were so impressed because of the colors and a lot of things that usually customers, at least in here in Colombia, they are not used to it.
Oh my God, it seems that you create a really memorable presentation.
Yes, it was. And at the end, I showed the key takeaway that we just learned that at the academy. And the final message and the most important message was that they were able to run Simple with SAP and Fiori. And last thing that I want to share was a software that I developed here at my market unit. I know that it can be like strange because the role of a pre-sales person is not to program. But what I did was to develop a software in which people was able to jump or to kick a ball, and then we compare all the results from these people from the SAP forum in Colombia with Falcao, who is a professional soccer player. Also, they were able to see the person who kicked the ball the harder and also the person who was able to jump the most.
Yes, I remember that. Actually, that was incredible how the people was so engaged. And I do have the opportunity to kick, but it didn't went so well.
Yeah, you did, Edgar. You were like in the top 5. So
Oh.
congratulations. There were like 100 people there.
Oh, thank you, Andre. Design thinking. Design thinking is another very important topic that we learned during the academy and that I have used a lot of times here in the market unit. And actually, this is an awesome space because the customer is able to give a lot of ideas that SAP can take in order to create a model that is going to help them to make them grow. Let me show you one example that I have created for one customer. This customer was Metro of Medellin. And what was the idea? With a group of 25 people, the idea was to increase the customer user experience, to make the customer have a better experience in the train when they are traveling in the city. So this was the result that we came up with. That was a mobile application that will give them a lot of opportunities and benefits when they are in the station. For example, here you can see how they can enter the station without using money, using their smartphones, or if they have normal phones, also they can charge their card using text messages and entering the station. But this was not the only thing that we find during that design thinking session. Also, they were complaining on how the people was stuck in the wagons because they were full of people. So here we create also another part of the application that will guide the customer to know what is the most empty wagon. Now, how to improve the experience when they are inside of the train. Now they will have a lot of promotions based on their buying behavior. So here you will see some customers that are launching some of the promotions that they have. Also, they will have the opportunity to see what are the places that they can visit. In this case, the Pueblito Paisa. So these were some of the assets that we came up with after the design thinking session that we have with them. Also, we built a prototype, a roadmap, and now we are showing that to the customer in order to have the next steps.
Wow, that looks like a lot of work. Did you do the entire video?
Yes, actually I did it. It was a lot of work, but I learned also in the academy a lot of techniques with PowerPoint that make this video easier to do.
Awesome. Okay, so that was it for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching us.
Great presentation. The customer love to see you in the screen. Can't wait for the next presentation.
Yes. So hi everybody, my name is Isabela Medeiros. I am a ePresales associate here in SAP Brazil. And first of all, I would never thought that I would work in a company like SAP with so many opportunities to grow. And then after the academy, I could realize that besides learning from so much experienced people, I could also share with them all the knowledge I've acquired in the academy. And one of them was about remote presentations. And one of the things we could share here in Brazil is how to engage with the customer in a better way. And also how to be innovative using different tools. And be memorable using our techniques that we learned in the academy. The purpose of all of these things is to make remote presentation as good as an on-site presentation.
My name is Gabriela Machado. I'm a pre-sales associate here in SAP Brazil. And one of the best feedbacks that I received from a customer after a presentation was in a remote presentation. After I finished the presentation, the customer said, "I'm impressed how engaging was the presentation and looking you in the screen was the best." So now we are testing different tools to improve the use of Virtual Studio, especially here in Brazil. So for the next weeks, we are going to start using tool for design thinking virtual studio. So after the academy and here in the experience in the field in Brazil, we believe that remote presentations will be the future from SAP. Thank you very much.